pare ko, kumusta? Happy Wednesday! Another video pre, another video. Dalawang videos to pre. I mean, one video pero dalawa yung two parts na video. So first is kanina, Wednesday, pumunta ako sa flea market. Again, walang interaction between sa akin at saka sa vendor kasi bawal nga doon. So ipapakita ko na lang sa inyo after the fact, after kong nabili. And then the second part pre is kahapon pumunta ako sa bahay ng kaibigan ko na reseller. Then then bumili ako sa kanya ng mga items din. Plus binigyan niya ako ng libreng mga electronics pre na vintage. Binigay niya sa akin kasi may tinulong ako sa kanya. So sabi niya sa akin na daw yung mga yon. So ayos na ayos. So yeah, so panoorin niyo pre. Hopefully mag-enjoy kayo. And then may nagpapa-shoutout mga pare ko. Ron Roque from shoutout lang daw sa mga naiwan sa Pilipinas. So I don't know kung nasaan si Ron Roque. Shoutout sa iyo pre, Ron Roque. And then shoutout kay Romeo Castro. Romeo Castro from Jubail, Saudi Arabia. Taga Saudi, maabot tayo sa Saudi pre. Shoutout sa iyo pare ko. Romeo Castro. And then from San Fernando, Pampanga, Ron Mendoza. Shout out Ron Mendoza. Ingat ka dyan pre. Alright, so panoorin itong video na to pre. So hopefully mag-enjoy kayo. Let's go, let's go!
Pre, grabe pre. $100 yan lahat pre. Boss. This early sir. I'ma come back. Grabe pre. Boss yan pre, $100. Isa-isahin ko yan lahat ha. So ang gagawin ko dito, ang plano ko sa mga yan, mayroon pa yan sa baba. Speakers lang tatlong sa woofer yata yan, yung malaki. So tatlo yan. So isa-isahin natin yan sa bahay. Alright pre, so na-load ko yung mga malaki. Ang maganda dito pre, mayroon pa to ang remote. So ang remote is pinaka the best. Remote pa lang solid na yan. So at saka ito nga dalawang ganito, $100 yan lahat pre. So yung mga malalaki na speaker doon, kahit ibibenta ko yun mga $50 to $70 sa marketplace, ayos na yun. So yan, dalawang ganito pre. So hindi na tayo lugi niyan. Ang aga pa, nakita nyo ang dilim-dilim pa. So let's go. And then anong ilang speakers to? Ito mga speakers pa lang wala na, bawing-bawi na. Magkano yung Bose na speaker, diba? Speaker pa lang pre, bawi na tayo. Alright, so balik tayo dun sa loob kasi ang aga pa. Let's go, let's go. Alright pre, electronics na naman pre. Electronics na naman to pre. $50 yan pre, $50 yan, $50. Mix to go yan pre, mixer. Alright, ang ganda nyan para to, $50 bili ko yan. Alright pre, dito pa tayo. So nakabili tayo ng camera pre, $10. Nikon D200. Kompleto yan, may ano pa to, may lens pa yan. Medyo may mga ano lang konti pero you know, pwede ko to i-lista for parts. $10 lang yan. So kahit for parts yan, walang problema kung hindi yan gagana. And then ito pre, $12. Brand new pre. Ang ganda no, Rockford na speaker. So yeah. At again pre, sa end sa video ipapakita ko sa inyo yung mga isa-isahin natin kung magkano sila nabibenta. So let's go, let's go. So hanap pa tayo. Ano mo yung mahanap natin dito? Let's go, let's go.
Pare, kumusta? So dito tayo sa bahay ng kaibigan ko, pre. Na-vlog ko na to noon. Yung bumili ako sa kanya ng mga maraming mga electronics. I don't know if natandaan nyo sa past video ko. So balik na naman tayo dito. Okay to make up last Sunday, kasi last Sunday hindi ako nakapag-flea market kasi nasa LA ako. Bumalik ako kagabi. So itong hopefully makakuha tayo dito ng mga magagandang items para you know, para makabawi tayo last Sunday. Alright, so excited ako, pre. I think mga electronics din to. So ayos na ayos. Let's go.
I'll take that, man.
You want to do that instead? Or I'll give you $200 for the van and then your time. Or I'll give you these two, both of them.
No, I could have this one, man.
This one's Sansu as well. This is an amplifier. This one's better.
Dude, you know what? Hey, the last time I got some car parts from you, they were good, man.
Dude, look, the guy said his dad worked for Nissan or Toyota or something. He said they're all brand new.
Are these like original? Original parts?
Nissan.
Genuine
Nissan
parts.
I don't know about these.
OEM?
Yeah, Nissan. They're all OEM, bro.
How much you want for that?
I don't know, man. Dude, I don't know. I just grabbed the box. You know, I just said, how much for the box? Dude. The guy said, "Oh, make me an offer." What did I pay? I can't remember what I paid. Bro. Honestly, can't remember.
I'll get I don't know. I might get those too. How much are you asking for those too? I'm just scared that I can't list.
Yeah,
but
I haven't tried to list them either, so I just bought them. But I would list them. I don't know.
Oh, there's one. Brand new for 120. Brand new for 124.
Yeah, I saw this one. This one's a good one, right?
That one is good too.
This one's really good, right?
Yeah.
What was that one so for? There was no used, right?
Was it
used,
JCB service tool? No, nothing is sold.
Yeah, look.
There's a listing, but nothing is sold. Let me see.
This one is
Oh, there is one. Yeah, this one right here, brand new for 535. It's listed for 535.
Yeah.
Brand new.
That was a little bit. I think that's a different model. Yeah, that was a different model. Check it out. Look.
Where's the ones?
Yeah, I typed in a J1708.
J1708. J1708.
Didn't it come up?
No, not. It's a different model.
Yeah, there's different. This one, I think this one, dude. This one, like, well, I'm not saying they sell, but I know, like, I think I saw it listed pretty high. That one might be. Is that it?
It's a different, different model.
Okay.
Well, it looks the same, but I don't know if this is the same one. They're brand new though.
Yeah. Oh, what is this? Oh, look. Let me try that. The part number.
Oh yeah.
See, maybe it might not be it. 728.
It's a diagnostic tool, so I don't. I mean, these are sold right here, so
right. Yeah.
I probably could sell them.
Yeah, I don't know what exactly it's going to sell for. This is because they have a brand new one listed, but this is
It's like $500, right?
Data link, look, for this model.
Oh, okay.
But that, like I said, that's that part number at least.
Mm-hmm. Oh, okay.
I'm not saying it's selling for that much. I'm just saying, like,
how much do you want for them?
But
nothing is sold, huh? That's just. Damn.
Yeah, I'd probably take a 300 for both.
And then plus that one.
Yeah, I don't know what I want on this one, dude. I don't know. What do you think on this one?
Yeah, 550.
I guess. Just because you helped me out today, bro. Just for you.
5, 1, 2.
What's up, man?
5.
They got extra ones there.
550 it is.
They got extra ones.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2. 1, 2, 3.
All right. I'll grab it. I'll bring it to you.
And those two Sansui, huh?
You gotta go, right?
I gotta go because I gotta make it at 8. It's rented. Yeah, I rented it for him.
Really? Oh,
You want the rest of this water, Marco?
Huh? Nah, I think I'm good, man.
Good?
Yeah.
I'll get you that. I'll grab it right now.
thank you, man.
you say like you make most of your money from like Facebook Marketplace and like those places?
eBay, yeah.
Well, like sell, like buying. Like where do you buy from?
Garage sale, flea market, just like Laz. Yeah.
Yeah, I was in the flea markets, but like I'm a beginner, so I'm like taking my time looking up everything.
Yeah.
But it also like I feel like it was taking forever to sell something. That was my problem too.
And that's the thing, man. But it goes by like time, man. Like once you keep on doing it, you know, like once you see it, you don't have to research it. You already know that you're gonna sell it. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
So, but if you're new, you have to take your time and know, like, you know, what to buy or whatnot. But yeah,
I should get back into it though. Like it was fun. Like
it is fun. It is fun.
Yeah.
Yeah, man. It's me and Laz, man. We don't work no more.
That's crazy. Well, I feel like y'all still working though.
Yeah.
Just
Well, this is like more fun, you know. If you like what you're doing, it's not work.
that's true. Maybe I'll do it and like do the YouTube thing too, like where like I'm recording it. Because I want to try to like get into that too.
Do it. Alright mga pre, so nasa bahay na tayo. So ito pre, tatlo to pre. Alright, so may screenshot dyan. I don't know if ititest ko pa to. Mabilis lang to itest kasi mayroon naman akong ganito sa bahay. So ititest ko yung tatlo na yan. So probably ibibenta ko to sa either sa Facebook Marketplace for $50 or kahit nasa eBay, ibibenta ko yan the same $50 plus shipping. So hindi na masama. Again, ito lahat ng bows na nabili ko is $100 yung binayad ko niyan. And then ito pa yung ibang bows. Itong dalawang ganito pre. Dalawa, ito isa and then dalawa. So again, may mga screenshot dyan kung magkano natin nabili yung mga yan. I mean, magkano to nabibenta online. So, or sa eBay. So, ayos na yan. And then, 4 na ganito na speakers. Okay na yan. Isa-isain ko to, ililista ko to isa-isa. Hindi ko to ibenta as a bundle, isa-isa. And then, itong remote na to. Maganda tong remote na to, pre. So, mga $20-something to. So, hindi na masama. So, for me, sulit na sulit yung binayad ko lahat ng bows na $100. And then, ito, pre. Brand new to, pre. Oh, brand new to, naka-tape pa yung yung box niya sa loob. Solid na solid, $12 lang. So I think mabibenta ko to mga $90 plus shipping. So sulit na sulit. And then ito pre, $10 lang. Actually, I don't know kung gumagana to, pero it's worth the risk kasi 10 lang yung camera, parang beat up yung camera. Oh, beat up yung camera kahit dyan, may mga ano na dyan, may mga separation na dyan. So I don't know if gagana pa to or not, pero kahit ibibenta ko to for parts, wala man namang problema. Ang habol ko lang talaga nito is itong lens na to. Teka, i-check ko nga kung magkano to ang lens. Hold on. So yun pre, so ito mabibenta ko to at least mga $40 used itong lens na to. And then ito, may screenshot din dyan for parts. Siguro mabibenta yung ang screenshot dyan mga $40 to $60 or $70 for parts or as is. So hindi na masama for $10 na kaya binili ko na lang to. It's worth the risk kasi alam ko naman na kung for parts at least mababalik ko yung investment ko niyan. So yun pre, so yun yung mga meron pa pala ito pre, yun yung kahapon. Ang dami nito pre, yung binili ko sa kaibigan ko. Itong dalawang to, sulit na sulit to. So ito libre to, nakita nyo naman sa video. Libre yan kasi tinulungan ko siya ang dami niyang binili. Isang van yun, kaya kung nakita nyo sa video na papunta ko sa kanila, nakasakay ako sa van. Yun pre, so libre yan, parang ito yung bayad niya sa akin. As in, sulit na sulit. So may mga screenshot dyan. Ayos to, ayos na ayos. And then ito, of course, Gemini Mix to Go. Tested to, bago ko to binili sa flea market. Tinest niya, so gumagana to. Ang galing-galing nito. Alright pre, then ito yung binili ko kahapon sa kaibigan ko. Now ito pre, I think score to, ito lang yung worry ko nito. Di ako sure, though may mga listings sa eBay, pero hindi ako sure if pwede ba akong magbenta nito. Alright, kung hindi, pwede ko naman to ibenta locally or sa ibang platform.
Ito pre, may mga screenshot dyan ha. Pero ang screenshot dyan is brand new. Ito lang meron ko. Ang nasa listing sa eBay is mayroong parang monitor or something. I don't know if included talaga yung monitor or for picture purposes lang. Pero ito lang mayroon natin. Alright, so again, may mga listings dyan. So I don't know. Pati ito, may screenshot dyan kung magkano ito nabibenta. Alright, so I don't know. As in, on the fence ako nitong dalawang na to. Pero still binili ko. Actually, $300 yata yung bili ko nitong dalawang to. Basta lahat-lahat nito, including nito is 550. So I don't know. So ito na-research ko na may screenshot dyan kung magkano to. Ito may Ray-Ban pala pre. May Ray-Ban na sunglass. Yan. So linisin ko lang yung konti. I mean Ray-Ban Oakley pala. Oakley, hindi Ray-Ban Oakley. So yan. And then ito, ano to? So again, may mga screenshot dyan. Ito, magkano ito? Daming harness dito. Ito I know kasi may nakabenta ako nito noon pero ibang hindi Nissan. Sa Nissan to eh. I think may nabenta ko nito $400, $500, even $700 nito noon. Kaya binili ko talaga. Pero hindi nga lang Nissan. Ito ibang brand to. So I don't know. May mga screenshot dyan kung magkano yan. I-research ko pa yan. Pero again, may mga screenshot. Ito, mayroon to dito. Ito, ano to mga to? Oh, ang dami pala nito. Mga car parts to lahat pre. Mga car parts. So, yeah, more or less. Yan. Ano pa? Ano to? Ay. Ito, mayroon din ito. So, again, dyan, may screenshot dyan. I-research ko yan gamit ng mga numbers. So, ang mga screenshot dyan, i-refer nyo lang. Ford pala to. So, Ford yan. So, again, may mga ito, i-research ko kung anong base sa part number na yan. So, yan, bago pa yan. Bago. So, yeah. So, yun pre. Yun yung lahat ng nabili natin today at saka kahapon. So, yeah. Hey, salamat sa inyo mga pare ko ya. So, hopefully nag-enjoy kayo. Electronics na naman. Ito yung pinaka gustong gusto ko talaga sa mga electronics. Basta electronics. Whew, parang ang sarap ng feeling. Alright. So, ingat kayo mga pare ko. Ha, sa ulitin. Bye-bye.